Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to read the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.